Okay, so now we're going to talk about the pitfalls in applying design thinking. This is important to understand because we all make these mistakes and it's very easy to fall prey to these mistakes. This is our design thinking matrix: empathy, definition of problems, design, prototype, and iterate. The first pitfall I want to talk about is the design pitfall of thinking you're the customer. So there are several agencies that will go so far as to say, let's bring our client in, we'll spend several hours with them in front of a whiteboard, and we'll all be smart people, and we'll come up with a beautiful design. And you might come up with a beautiful design, but it might be something nobody wants. And that, I think, is important to understand, that if you don't inform this design with what you get from this half of the design thinking matrix, you are just iterating on product. You're not discovering innovation. You're not discovering anything truly new. Because you want human behavior and emotion to inform this design, you don't want to be guessing at it. Yes, this costs a little bit of money over here, but a little bit of money up front is a lot better than supporting a product for quite some time, or years even, that isn't up to par, or certainly isn't leading the pack. The second big problem is, or the big pitfall in our application of design thinking, is prototyping. And prototyping is so easy right now. It's become so simple that we're actually doing that first. So if you have an idea for something, you'll make it before you even do any of this over here. And in digital, we're talking about an hour to put up a website or to create an app. And in consumer electronics, we're talking about not that much time, maybe a week in your basement to come up with an idea and prototype it. The real danger is if you prototype and then go ask your customers if you like the product or not, if they like the product. The bias here is insurmountable. So when we see prototypes right now, my business partners and myself, we throw them in the garbage, and we refuse to see prototypes in digital altogether. Because if you haven't done this, you haven't practiced design thinking, and you won't find innovation in the market. So I hope this little video series helps you inform your design decisions moving forward. Thank you very much for watching.